What's good, everyone? It's your boy Harry Boy. I'm back again with another fire design video. Today we are cooking something was special, but not in the kitchen, in Figma. So in this video, I'll be showing you some of the food recipe mobile app that I designed from scratch. We're talking about the first thing we need to talk about is the clean layout, the matte watering full images, the smooth navigations, and a design that actually makes you want to cook. And we walk through and I will walk you through how I designed the home screen, the recipe house, and how I made the app feel simple, modern, and easy to use. Because good design should feel just like what good food, simple but what flavor. So if you love UI UX design, Figma or food art, this one is for you. So let's jump in and start cooking this design. Let's go. Okay, we are back again on Figma, and I'll be showing you guys what I've designed on my screen, which is the food recite app. No, that is the most important on Figma, and I have most of the designs that I have designed so far, and I hope you guys will like it. Um, this is one of my home screen. You can see my profile, you can see the notification, and you can see my search bar. You can say search recipe, the filter, the categories, you know, um, lunch, dinner recommendations. See all. We have the pancake. So these are list of everything that is there. Let me see, just to make sure that I'm on track. Okay, and then these are the list of everything that is there. Um, we have the home screen, everything click. So this is the home screen for the receive app. Then to make sure, or you can use any color. You can use green, you can use yellow. You know, um, you can use any color that is suitable. Or let me take a duplicate of this. Maybe for example now you can use green. So you can use any color that makes sense. Maybe green. Let me see green. You can use green. And then just use green just to, green. Then change this side to, make sure it's green. Or let me zoom in. Just to make sure it's green. Let me see. You have to make sure everything is green. Yeah, so green, make sure everything is green. I think I have to remove all these things because this is very confusing. So we have to like Okay, so you just put green, everything must be green. So that's like saying you can use any color of your choice. Change this to green. Then green. So you can use any color. You see, any color that makes sense. Because green can also work for food recycle. So use any color that makes sense. Let me see white. So you guys, any color that makes sense, we work for it. You know. Let me see white. So, oh, okay, it's black is okay. So you have to make sure that your designing has a clear information. So the color contrast must be there. So you can use anything that makes sense. So let me take it out. But this is one of my home screen that created. So let me bring another one. Uh-huh. So we have the recipe. This is one of my recipe I did. So we have the recipe. I pick one of it. Recipe. We have the 5 minutes. We have the favorite. We have the calorie description, ingredient added. These are the some of these things. Then I put how to cut. Right. I had them on there. So I goes to the third one, which is the save. So this is the save button that I have on my Figma. I have the saved. So if you look at the navigation bar, I suppose so. You have to make sure that everything. So if you put all these things, let me just say this regular. So you have to put this thing in medium. So you have to make this thing regular. So you have to make sure it's regular because this is the main this thing add to cart. So you have to make sure that everything is lunch. We have dinner. We have breakfast. So we go to the next one, which is the shopping list. The shopping list is very important. I have the fresh meat, the meat pie, biscuits, sweet potatoes, garlic, strawberry, blackberry oil. So you have to make sure that the hierarchy is there. But the hierarchy is very more important. So that is the most important thing, the hierarchy. I put 24. Let me uh 24 is okay. So this is the checklist, the check item list, shopping list. So you can use any color of your food recycle. So we have the detail screen. The detail screen we have the is almost the same thing, but this is one of the categories, but they look very identical. So, but you have to make sure that everything is aligned. So you have to add this. So you can see that they're not aligned yet. So you have to make sure that everything must be in the center. You see, it's not in the center yet. So everything must be in the center. So everything must be in the center. It still look very too much. So now make sure everything is in the center. So you gotta make sure everything is in the center. So let's see this. Or you can use this color. You can use this color. This color makes sense. So you can use just to give it a clear hierarchy on it. We have the two serving. So you have to make sure that the hierarchy is there. Let me see. You see? So just make sure that the hierarchy is there. So let me check the so so you have to make sure everything is there. So let's see. So something like that. So you have to make sure that the hierarchy is there. Or you can just have this. Okay. So you just add the category. So you have to so we have five screens. We have the home, we have the recite. You have to make sure that everything has 40. So you have to make sure that everything has the so you have to make sure that everything must be centered. You have the shopping, you have saved, you have the add to cart. So how many screens do we have? We have four. So you have to make sure that if there's any other screen. So that's like I said, we have five screens, which is the home, resize, saved, and we have the category. So we pick them, then so this is what we did. Sorry, let me zoom in. So you have to make sure that the hierarchy is there. Let me see this. You can say that this one is not aligned yet. So you have to make sure that everything is aligned. So everything is centered. So you have to make sure everything is centered. So you have to make sure everything is centered. So you have to make sure it gives you a clear understanding of the hierarchy. So we have to change the color of this. So pretty much better. Uh, so you have to make sure that all these things are not there anymore. So everything is gone. So that's like I said. Um, so everything must be equal 25. So we have the save, I have shopping list, and these are everything. So these are one of the things I designed for beside app. So you guys can follow what I'm doing. If you have any other things that you can design it. Just make sure. So this is how food beside app will look like. So we are going to stop here for now. All right, that's a wrap on our food recipe app design and listing. This one came out very what delicious. From the clean layout to the smooth recipe card to the colors that makes you what very hungry just by looking at them. This design is proof that good UI is just like a good food. Simple, clean, and very what satisfying. If you enjoy watching me cook up this design in Figma, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification because we are not stopping here. More apps, more creativity, more real design energy coming your way. Drop a comment and tell me what recipe app should I design next. Until next time, your boy Harry Boy is out. Keep designing and stay hungry. Peace.